Welcome to Tech Tips channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can define all the config map and secret data as container environment variables. Usually people do a volume mount and write a startup script to set the config map and secret data as container environment variable. Few places people use a reference to key to set the environment variables that will be imported from again the secret and config map. In Kubernetes, env from is one of the option in the manifest file we can define to set config map and secret data as container environment variables. We'll take an example where we have config map and secret. As you can see on the screen, we have taken two manifest file. One is environment config map and another is secret.yaml file. And config file has three keys, source env, target env, and one wet key. I will explain later about this one wet key because this is an invalid key, and we'll see this has been ignored setting as an environment variable. We'll talk about more about this in the next slide. And in secrets also we have three keys. One is app password, other is app token, and third one is to also bad. So this is also kind of invalid key which we have taken. So we'll see an example where using env from will set these key as environment variable, but these two invalid keys will be ignored even though your container will be up and running in that case. In this slide we have taken a pod manifest file. You can see we have used env from and we have a reference of secret and the config map, and that is the name of the config map, that is envr config map. Another is secret reference that has a name envr secrets, which we have defined in the previous slide. Now we'll apply this all these three manifest files, secret, config map, and the pod, which will import all these keys as an environment variable. After applying these manifest files, we'll go inside the pod and see whether we have all the keys are defined as an environment variable. So you can see on the screen, we are going inside the pod, and I have done a grep, that is a multiple pattern search, grep-e. So env just grab all the keys, and if you see in the output, we see only the four keys. Other two are ignored. Why they are ignored? Because those are the invalid keys. So this is what we have already discussed, as highlighted in this screenshot. One bad key and two also bad, which is not been listed in our filter of environment variables. So this you have to keep in your mind, like invalid keys will be ignored when you deploy the container and will not be set as an environment variable. So when we say it's an invalid key, that means whatever the key you are using, the field must consist of alphanumeric character, example hyphen, underscore, or dot. Then only it is valid. So that is one condition which you should keep in your mind when you are writing your config map or the secret. And to see which all keys are ignored, you can just describe your pod and check the events. So events will have all the keys recorded, which are the invalid keys. As you see in the screenshot, it has been highlighted. So those are the two keys which are ignored and skipped to be part of the environment variable. So this is the way you can check the events and you will come to know which all our keys are skipped. Thanks for watching.